So this is a very important thing you said, because I'll tell you, a lot of times I've seen generally men, the boys, don't get along with their father very well.
और देखो उनको कितने प्रॉब्लम्स भी होते हैं, बिजनेस का
Ah, when
प्रॉब्लम।
I am noticing this only, that I think female can multitask and have less problem, and men can do one work at a time. Still उनको इतने problems होते हैं. So is it like कि if men don't have a good relation, men, anybody, if they don't have a good relationship with their father, does that mean that they're doomed financially, like completely? उनको कभी आएगा ही नहीं कोई. You said that before, that वो कर लेना चाहिए solve, but for some circumstances नहीं. Then they will never have financial
तो
stability.
देयर इज टू वेज टू टेक दिस, ठीक है? सबसे पहले तो आंसरिंग द फर्स्ट पार्ट, देन आई विल आंसर द सेकंड पार्ट। सो वर्क इज अबाउट हाउ यू process and integrate into your job or business, whatever you're doing for earning, ठीक है? You don't have to agree with your father. So this first case is when your father is alive, ठीक? So you don't have to physically agree with your father. अगर आपके disagreements हैं तो आपके disagreements हैं। You just have to stop fighting with his imprint inside your body. For example, अगर आपको लगता है आपकी फादर आपकी बात नहीं सुन रहे हैं, so you need to check out कि आपको ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि वो आपकी बात सुने.
Correct.
Why is it affecting you that your father is not listening to you? Why is it affecting you that he is not supporting you? When you resolve that imprint in you, I guarantee you money is going to free flow into your life. So here you're not changing the father and you have no ability to change anybody. Everybody have ability
Very
to change
true.
their own,
Very,
right?
very.
So this is what you have to do to make things better. You don't have to go your father and say I love you if you cannot. First you work on your imprint. Trust me, you can go and say I love you one day on yourself. Now the second.
Very, and this also, इसमें बस this also helps with breaking that, I'm not getting it right, but like breaking that pattern, that the father and grandfather didn't have a good relation, and then money problems. The son and
Yes, पैटर्न्स कब साक्षी ऑफ कोर्स पैटर्न्स आते हैं कि अगर ये अब कंपलसरी नहीं है, अगेन दिस इज अ वेरी कंडीशनड क्वेश्चन। ये
correct.
कंपलसरी नहीं है कि ऐसा हो, बट क्या ऐसा हो सकता है? यस।
Okay.
सो नाउ आंसरिंग द सेकंड पार्ट, व्हेन यू सेड दैट फादर अगर अलाइव नहीं है तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए केस में? सो इन दैट केस यू हैव टू फर्स्ट फिगर आउट दैट व्हाट प्रॉब्लम्स यू हैड, बिकॉज़ इम्प्रिंट तो आपके अंदर चल रहा है ना, फिज़िकली वो लाइन कोई बात नहीं। इन दैट केस आल्सो यू डू द इम्प्रिंट एंड देन थ्रू द एंसेस्ट्रल हीलिंग you take the blessings of your father and you release your money blocks. That is why we offer a very beautiful ancestral healing, which is a 60-minute session almost, in which the deep healing and the conditioning is rewired, which is absolutely essential. तो अगर आपकी लाइफ में कोई भी पैसे का प्रॉब्लम है ना, the first thing that I'm going to see is what's your relationship with your father. That's
Mm. And now actually I'm trying to relate that whoever has told me they have financial issues, when they're born with their parents, especially father, has not been very great. That's why they have financial and other problems as well. They're not stable mentally and financial problems. So now it's very relatable.
तो मेंटली भी साक्षी उनमें से आपके फ्रेंड्स में जिसको भी प्रॉब्लम होगी ना, आप देखना दे आर मोर डिस्टर्ब फ्रॉम द मनी पार्ट, द जॉब पार्ट।
Yes.
यू विल ऑब्जर्व दैट आल्सो।
That's very relatable जो आपने बोला, जो कभी सोचा ही नहीं था हमने। मुझे तो हमेशा we've been always told like fathers and sons don't get along. This is how the society works. Deal with it.
सो इट्स डील नहीं करना है ना अब आपको।
हाँ ना,
आई
एग्जैक्टली.
एम हियर टू थ्रो द लाइट एंड फियर एकदम ले जाके और कहीं पे रिलीज इट विद अनकंडीशनल लव, डरने की बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं है। सो हम व्हाई आर वी मेकिंग दिस पॉडकास्ट ऑन माय चैनल साक्षी? अब हमारा इंटेंशन ही यही है ना दैट people, let's talk about the real questions, the real thing, the real day to day problems. हम उनके बारे में बात करेंगे, then only people is going to resonate and see that okay यार मैं तो ऐसे सोचता था, ऐसे तो है ही नहीं। I was just being fooled for last 30 years and now change my life now here.
I literally urge everyone to see these, especially this one and the earlier part, like sessions where they'll actually the brain will get rewired. Like so many things I got to know right now, and now going forward, I can relate everything so well. So I think everyone, because सबके life में ये money problem is once in a while आता ही है. This is like goes without saying.
क्योंकि
So
कहीं
इससे
ना
help
कहीं
them.
कोई तो इशू रहता ही है ना साक्षी। तो इसको चीजें हमें इन्फॉर्म्ड होती हैं कॉन्शियसली और कुछ अनकॉन्शियसली हमारे अंदर चलता है। तो जब तक कोई प्रॉब्लम आती नहीं है ना, हम उस चीज़ को एक्नॉलेज नहीं करते हैं, क्योंकि हम एक्नॉलेज नहीं करते हैं, इट रिमेन्स इन आवर सबकॉन्शियस।
हम बस ये बोलते हैं व्हाई मी, बट व्हाई मी? मैंने क्या किया है बुरा? व्हाई मी? वी डोंट रियली रियलाइज व्हाई।
यस।
But yes. So, I notice you talked about detachment, and I feel me, including 90% of us, misunderstand it. So, I'll tell you what I mean by detachment is means indifference. कि तुम respond ही मत करो. If I'm detached to you, Sanskriti, then I will not speak to you. For me, you will not exist. Does detachment really mean that?
See, detachment is definitely not indifference to start with. ठीक है? Detachment is your certainty without desperation. So it's like it's knowing that they will come. I don't need to chase it. This will come. I don't need to chase it. Chasing comes from fear. So एक मैंने बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल अभी एक इंस्टाग्राम पे पेज है बुद्धा जी करके, उसमें ना छोटे छोटे बेबी बुद्धाज का वो है एआई वर्जन समथिंग कुछ है, एंड ही डज। तो उसने क्या किया कि ही वाज रनिंग बिहाइंड अ बटरफ्लाई, और वो बटरफ्लाई चल भागती जा रही है, और वो उसके पीछे भागता जा रहा है, ठीक है? एंड जब वो उसके पीछे भागता जा रहा है, सर्टेनली वो मिट्टी में गिर जाता है, उसके पूरे कपड़े खराब हो जाते हैं और वो बहुत रोता है। अब ही चोज़ द अदर वे। Detachment comes from trust. So he detached from his feeling to chase the butterfly, and what he did is उसने कुछ seeds लिए अपनी मम्मा से, और अपने गार्डन में जाके उन seeds को sow किया, and after few days, few weeks, it turned out to be a beautiful plant and उसपे flowers
Oh,
आए,
wow.
and butterfly came into his house and sat on his own flowers, and he was enjoying with butterfly. So the moral of the story is chasing was coming out of fear कि butterfly चली जाएगी, मुझे
Yeah,
butterfly में
desperation.
desperation. I can't play with the butterfly, but when he chose to work towards it, butterfly came on its own. So that's how money always follows trust and never the fear.
Yeah, oh, that is very well said actually. And not detachment not related to money but related to people as well. हम यही सोचते हैं detachment means अब कभी बात नहीं करेंगे.
अब
But it actually curbing desperation.
जब हम ऐसे सोचते हैं ना साक्षी हम किससे बात नहीं करेंगे, तो हम इससे बात नहीं करेंगे, वन नॉट, हम उससे बात
Like,
why
I
not?
think हम सबसे ज्यादा तब mentally ज्यादा involve हो रहे हैं उनके साथ by giving them so much energy of ours.
क्योंकि एनर्जी तो जा ही रही है ना, आप बात करो चाहे मत करो, नहीं जाए वो भी एक नॉट है ना, यू विल नॉट कम इनटू माय लाइफ, वो हैंड यूँ ही है। वो हमारे थक रहे हैं, हमारी बॉडी थक रही है, नो, नो, आई विल नॉट अलाउ यू टू बी माय, सो इट्स जस्ट वी नीड टू कम आउट ऑफ दैट सर्कल।
Totally, but very, very well said. And I think so many people who should know this, what exactly detachment is in life. This is like a life skill to know, है ना? He what, yes. So, one question to you. You've lived both extremes, scarcity and abundance. What actually changed internally for you?
Right. So there was a time few years back when money was less. Okay. And I chose, see, I come from a very luxurious family before marriage, and then I got married into a service class family in which normal banker people, not business class, nothing. And obviously, I had my own business before marriage, and this is the first time I'm talking, on a public platform. But let's do it. So, when I was consistently in the family, I was thinking like, okay, they don't do this, they don't spend like this, they don't do that, they don't do that. And I am working with ancestors even before marriage. I got married in 2015, but I've been working with my grandmother since 2011. So when I got to know this from my grandmother that it is my time, which is gonna show time when I have to show up and do things. And when I started doing it back in 2019, professionally, like social media and all those things. So, I was doing in my own state and mind and people around. And I've seen that when I started learning more about manifestation, I started believing that I am myself money. I Whatever I choose to do turns into money. I stopped measuring my worth through money, and the moment I stopped needing मनी टू प्रूव माई सेफ्टी, अरे 10 लाख की एफडी चाहिए, 20 लाख की एफडी चाहिए, देयर वाज अ टाइम इन माय लाइफ, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट माय मनी हियर, सी, सौरभ इज डूइंग रियल वेल, in life. Here, I'm only and only talking about myself. When I did not have money and I used to get 5,000 rupees, from some FD that I did, and that 5,000 rupees used to be my pocket of spending, and I just felt that I stopped. And the moment I stopped there needing money to prove safety, कैसे मुझे 5,000 save नहीं करने हैं यार. It started staying with me. One thing,
Wow.
second thing, third thing. It came to a place where I also don't know how much money do I have. So
Wow.
abundance
This has been a journey.
this is a journey. So abundance doesn't arrive when you're desperate कि पैसा आ जाए, client आ जाए, ये famous हो जाए, ये viral हो जाए. It arrives when you are regulated in your emotional system. So money works that way.
Very, like, this is actually inspirational and so much to learn. But what a journey it has been, I must say. But I have one question. People, including me, we feel to ask money is we are not spiritual, we are not doing ethical things. Generally, when we ask anything, we ask clothes, gadgets, that's fine. But if anyone now culture mein hamare aise, if we hear that we want money, people will think, oh, what a bad person. How unspiritual. Why is it that they feel that it's not the right thing we're doing? Because money is driving everything currently. Without money, there is nothing.
क्योंकि कंडीशनिंग है ना साक्षी. अभी जब पार्टीशन हुआ था इंडिया पाकिस्तान का, ठीक है. सो मे बी योर ग्रैंडमदर वाज पार्ट ऑफ इट, मे बी, और ग्रेट ग्रैंडमदर, ठीक है. सो दे लॉस्ट होम, दे लॉस्ट फूड, they lost land, they lost relative, they had seen death. Everyone, जो भी पार्टीशन का पार्ट थे. ये नहीं मेरी मेरी नानी was पार्टीशन का पार्ट. सो अभी उनके जनरेशन के बाद सी कैसे है, घर होना चाहिए, घर होना चाहिए, घर होना चाहिए. तो उनको घर कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि उनका घर चला गया ना. सो कंडीशनिंग हो गई ना बॉडी का. घर चला जाता है, घर नहीं होता है तो घर नहीं होता है. आपके पास लैंड नहीं होगा, आप बंटवारे में चले जाओगे. तो फोकस ऑन द इमोशन, नॉट द इंसिडेंट. अब उनके बाद
Correct.
जैसे अपन अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स आए या फिर पेरेंट्स आए, पेरेंट्स के लिए कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है, अरे बेटा घर तो होना ही चाहिए. अरे घर के बिना तो कुछ,
घर नहीं हुआ तो सक्सेस को
घर नहीं हुआ तो कुछ नहीं.
कर दिया
वो पैरामीटर ही फेल हो गया. एंड नाउ कम टू साक्षी एंड संस्कृति वाला जनरेशन.
जनरेशन.
यार ठीक है, घर बना लेते हैं, मे बी अ स्मॉल वन, मे बी अवर ओन स्पेस. कंडीशनिंग का कितना फर्क. एंड नाउ वन डे इफ यू गो टू क्यारा एंड से घर, ओ घर, it's a debt, mom. Why invest you? We better invest in mutual funds. We better invest in expensive bags that it go, maybe Perkins, Kelly's, and maybe we do that. घर का तो क्या है, रेंट 35,000 है. ये इतना हो जाए. सोशल मीडिया पे कितना ज्यादा है आजकल ये चीज कि घर मत खरीदो ऐसे.
This buying versus renting, the pros, cons.
बाइंग वर्सेस रेंटिंग. अभी क्या हो रहा है ना, 7 जनरेशंस के अंदर पूरा रिवायरिंग दोबारा से होता है. सो अब देखो उनका जनरेशन से सेकंड जनरेशन हमारे पेरेंट्स हो गए, हम थर्ड हो गए, क्यारा फोर्थ हो गई, ठीक है. सो फोर्थ जनरेशन के अंदर ये कितना कम है. सो आवर माइंड से दिस इज अ रियल लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ कंडीशनिंग. एवरी वन विल एग्री विद मी कि हमारी जनरेशन का ये देख रहा है, और मे बी अप इवन इफ द अपर जनरेशन और यंगर जेंजी, ठीक है. सो देर ऑलवेज दे वांट मनी, एंड मनी क्यों नहीं आ रहा है, इट्स जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस.
No, that's very, very true and very relatable. It's all conditioning.
इट्स ऑल
I
कंडीशनिंग.
believe. Yes. So I know that you have answered this question here, there, but like one answer to this $1 million question, which is what is the biggest mistake people make while manifesting?
सी, टू सम अप, इफ यू आस्क ओनली वन, वैसे तो बहुत सारी गलतियां करते हैं लोग, बट
हाँ.
एंड वन थिंग इज दैट they try to manifest outcomes
Correct.
without healing
Very
the
true.
system that they receive them. They say घर चाहिए, ऐसा होना चाहिए, ऐसा होना चाहिए, इस रोड पे होना चाहिए, इतने फ्लोर का होना चाहिए, इतनी सारे कंडीशंस हैं. एज अ चाइल्ड यू से प्लीज भगवान जी मम्मा मुझे पेंसिल दिला दें. ये थोड़ी बोलते हैं शाका लव का बूम बूम की पेंसिल दिलाते हैं, इस ब्रांड की दिला दे, ये कलर की दिला दे. एवरीथिंग इज लाइव इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू साक्षी। अगर किसी को आजकल लड़का चाहिए, ठीक है, मेरे पास इतने सारे लोग आते हैं, ऑल जेंजीज, हम ऐसा होना चाहिए, शुड बी दैट हाइट, दे आर ऑल बटरकप्स। They need to get up and see that, it doesn't work that way. They try to manifest outcomes. They are not manifesting the journey. I want a house. That's it. I want to get married to a aligned man. That's it. That is, that's how simple manifestation is. So if you don't know that, you are the next billionaire in the house.
Wow. This is so easy, but yet we make so many mistakes. But I feel like most of my 20s I've been doing wrong manifestation. ये मुझे पहले पता होता तो where would I have been now? But better late.
Now you have this video.
Yes, better late than never.
Better late.
So there should very basic question like if I want to start manifestation from today and I listen to your video and within the half time I realized that मैं सब गलत करी थी. I want to start it in the right way. So where should I actually start? What should be my path of manifestation?
With honesty and just understanding that what emotion does money trigger in me. Do I feel fear? Do I feel guilt? मेरे पास बहुत पैसा है. Do I feel power? Oh, मेरे पास पैसा है. Or do I feel shame? यार मेरे पास पैसा है, मेरे भाई के पास नहीं है, बहन के पास नहीं है. If it is that way, that emotion is the real block and not the money, because सब cases में money तो common है ना. हर
Correct.
इमोशन उस फ्रीक्वेंसी को आपके लाइफ में चेंज कर रहा है.
Mm, true. That is like very like I've been into the deep thoughts of your answers, because I don't know why this is happening for the first time. I'm actually visualizing what you're saying. अब आई डोंट नो कि मैनिफेस्टेशन का कमाल है क्या है, बट मैं एक-एक चीज़ विजुअलाइज़ कर पा रही, लाइक देयर आर इमेजेस इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी, राइट? व्हाट आर योर
अनलॉक हो रहा है ना, वो पुराना वाला तो माइंड का लर्निंग है. वो कह रहा है ओके बाय बाय साक्षी, सॉरी आई एम नॉट पार्ट ऑफ यू एनीमोर.
Yes. So, I know that there have been so many questions, and I can like we can go on, but just one final, one or two final questions on this. One of them, which I personally wanted to ask is someone listening, if I'm feeling stuck right now, what would you tell me or anyone who's feeling stuck right now in their manifestation journey?
Nothing, my friend, is wrong with you. Your system just learned survival beautifully. Now it's the time to learn safety in abundance, in your money, in your comfort, in your manifestation. And this is not about how lucky or unlucky you are. It is about you deserve it. NOW now.
Wow, so powerful. I feel that ये 3 लाइन्स संस्कृति आप कहीं डाल दो पोस्ट में या कहीं, and people can actually read this whenever they are low and not feeling themselves about money. You can read it. That
पक्का
now
देना.
that
नेक्स्ट कॉल मेरे को करके बोलते हैं प्लीज नेक्स्ट पोस्ट इज गोइंग दिस ओनली.
yes. So one final question, and this everyone will have, and this doubt everyone will have. Can everyone manifest money? Like everyone, or are there any rules of someone who can and who cannot?
Everyone can breathe, everyone can live, and everyone can manifest money. But not everyone is ready to stop identifying their struggles. Money comes easily to those who stop proving worth through pain. मेरे पास पैसा इस वजह से नहीं है, उस वजह से नहीं है, ज्यादा है, चिप्स है, मैं इतना क्यों मांग रहा हूँ. सो बेसिकली टू मेक इट सिंपल, हाउ, व्हेन, व्हाई, ये जो क्वेश्चंस होते हैं ना, सब छोड़ के एक अर्जुन की आँख पे वो जो निशाना होता है ना, वो बन जाओ. आई एम इनटू अ ब्यूटीफुल होम. I own
Yeah.
a beautiful home. I am married to uh, an emotionally aligned person. I am married to an emotionally safe person. It is as simple as that. No more long paragraphs of giving your specification की चीजें कैसी होनी चाहिए, and you're the next billionaire.
Wow. So in short, everyone can manifest money. No rules and regulations.
No rules. No rules, no fear. सारे इस पॉडकास्ट के बाद बाहर चले जाएंगे, बोलेंगे सॉरी मैम, नो स्पेस.
But this was amazing, like very, very insightful. Personally, for me, this was like a session with someone who has lived this journey of manifestation and getting to know so much from an experienced person. What could have been better? So
Thank you
I
so much, Sakshi. Thank you so much for having me.
thanks, Sanskriti. Thank you.